Quixx, repair it yourself. Little dents can always come your way, no matter how good a driver you are. This not only minimizes the value of your car, but also looks ugly. But we can help you out. With the Quixx Dent Repair Kit, you just repair the damage yourself, without going to an expensive repair shop. And here we go. First, clean the area. Then prepare the glue gun. Now choose the tension plate. Go for a size a little smaller than the dent. A quick test? Perfect. After that, put a good amount of glue on the plate. All 4 holes must be filled with glue. Immediately stick the tension plate to the center of the dent. Afterwards, allow the glue to cure for 8 to 10 minutes. Place the repair bracket over the screw of the tension plate and screw on the rotating knob slowly clockwise. The dent is now pulled out bit by bit. Perfect! And it's you who did it! If the glue does not come off completely, you can use the white plastic pen. Repeat this step if necessary. An inexpensive professional result and the unbeatable feeling of doing it yourself. Be sure to check out all our repair products. Take a look. Quixx, repair it yourself.